In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention a role in Discord. If you want to get the attention of a whole group at once, like your moderators, your gamers, or your study buddies, role mentions are the fastest, cleanest way to do it. The process is simple, and once you've done it a couple of times, it'll feel totally natural. First, make sure you're in a text channel where you're allowed to send messages. If you can type a message in the box at the bottom, you're good to go. Click or tap into that message box and start by typing the @ symbol, the one that looks like this. @ That symbol is what tells Discord you want to mention someone or something. Right after the @ begin typing the exact name of the role you want to mention. For example, if the role is called Gamers, type Gamers. As soon as you start typing, Discord will pop up a suggestion list. This list usually shows matching users and roles. Roles will appear with a distinct role icon so you can tell them apart from individual users. On desktop, click the role name from that list. On mobile, simply tap it. Using the suggestion ensures you're selecting the correct role, even if there are similar names or special characters. Once you've selected the role, you'll see it appear in your message as a highlighted mention. You can keep typing the rest of your message around it, like @Gamers new event starting in 5 minutes. When you're ready, send the message as you normally would. Everyone who currently has that role will be notified that they were mentioned, unless they've muted role mentions or server notifications on their end. This is why role pings should be used thoughtfully. Keep them relevant and respectful, especially in larger communities. If you don't see the role appear in the suggestion list, it may be because you don't have permission to mention that role, the role isn't set to be mentionable, or you don't have message permissions in that channel. In that case, check with a server, moderator, or admin for help. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. You don't need to type the entire role name, just enough for Discord to suggest it, then select it from the list. Autocomplete also handles spaces and capitalization for you, so rely on the suggestion rather than guessing. And remember, you can place the role mention anywhere in your message. It doesn't have to be at the beginning. That's all there is to it. Type @ start the role name, select it from the suggestions, and send your message. It's fast, accurate, and perfect for organized announcements.